One more, one more.
Bobby, you old chewstick. You nearly scared me soft. What can I do you for?
Sorry to bother you, Herbert. There's been reports of crime
Oh, okay, that still works.
in the area.
Shit!
That's right. Have you seen this criminal at all?
Hang on a minute, that's no criminal. That's the honest businessman who sold me this brand new watering can.
I'm afraid that's no businessman. That's bootleg, Bill.
Bootleg,
That's no
bro.
watering can. That's a watering can't.
Bugger
No.
me, I paid 10 bob sterling for that.
It happens to the best of us, Herbert. Just last week, he swindled my wife with a wet dream catcher.
What?
So keep your eyes peeled, your head on a swivel, and a Johnny on your button. And I'll need to take this down to the station.
Good grief, this town is going to the dogs. You better keep an eye out, lad.
I just don't even care. No, you're corn. Corn off the cob. Okay. Hold on, wait. Let me see what those people are up to. Oh, never mind. Okay.
Are you here to give a hand with fishing? That's bait box over there.
It's the dude that stole the hammer. Oh.
Oh dear. This large
What?
and flaccid specimen seems to have already discharged.
Okay, baby.
We can only pray that its seeds don't take root.
Wait, that's not funny, bro. This game has some L's, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, how do I get this guy's hammer, though? Okay.
Ah, good idea. You can go in and all. Did you see that bird earlier?
Oh, I gotta go down.
Ah, Brother Bossy back from Scotland. He couldn't get into customs door. He had to pretend he was a pencil case. And now he's got legs right.
Why am I so small all of a sudden? Oh, just gonna hit him on the head. Oh,
Oh, catch of the day! You've been
How
up
is
to
this
some
guy here?
mischief with this, I'll bet.
What you on about, Jasper? I don't know.
Wait till your ma hears about this. I'm taking this back to my toolbox, and I'll see you at the chipple, lad.
Jasper, you probably doing me nothing. Ah!
valid. Let me check out this. Yeah. Gotta
You
get,
said £2.50 for parking. Good God, I'm a duck. I wish I'd never asked.
that's what I'm saying. Oh yeah, everywhere. Come on. Driving. Driving. Let's see what this people saying.
Florence, Colin called. He's bringing me some roses to smell. We're going to Barsworth Balls on a date. We're going to go to second base, swapping shoes. Kerry, if you don't give over, I'm going to tell Mum you've been drinking a nail varnish in the park.
Huh? They're playing cards, bro. Let's go to this shipboat.
Hiya, love. Sounds like he's nearly finished.
I can't believe the cheek of that wee boy. I dread to think the trouble he was up to with this whole thing. Anyway, I think I've almost cracked her open. Take a look inside, won't you? See if you can't flush all this muck out.
Okay. Let's get. Oh wow.
Ooh.
Alright, Marge, that's your pipes all cleaned out. And I fixed the fryer.
Oh, thanks, lovey. I hope it wasn't too much bother. I'll put you some chippies on.
I nae bother at all. But where does all that oil drain out to anyway?
Oh, I've got no clue, love.
Oh. the baby got deep. Oh,
Open
this
the
is some
big
sort of like Newgrounds type of humor.
Morning.
And I'm deep fried. Oh, we fixed the fire though. Let's see what's up with the time.
Florence, doctor called about your psoriasis. He said it's terminal. I don't have psoriasis, Terry. Just colour me in with a felt tip pen when I'm sleeping.
Okay. This game's funny. Oh, leave that alone. I kinda going crazy right now. I went against Grams of Ice with green fingers.
Oh dear. Oh, that's in a right state.
Let me get in this.
Oh, hello there, young man. Thank goodness you're here. I've got this delicious cup of tea here, you see. But I'm afraid it's as black as a bin bag in there. It really is. I'd go and get some more milk. I would. But the trouble is, I'm afraid I'm milk shy. Oh, no.
What? You're milk shy. Okay, I'll get you some milk, bro. Let's get the milk, man. It's gonna be like weird milk. Watch. It's gonna be the joke. It's gonna be weird milk. Oh.
Oh, thank goodness you're here, lad. Ah, Bessie's Chippy's usually perker up, though. Oh, you couldn't go up to Margie's and get
I'll
some,
get
could
it.
you?
Yeah, this game has some L's jokes, I'm not gonna lie. That's cool though. Damn, you fat as hell. I gotta make them leave.
I can't believe this queue! I've been here for 40 minutes! Marge! Come on, hurry up! I'm eating for two here! And I'm pregnant!
How can I make them go faster? So are you.
Oh, Florence, that was, Bobby Roger. He said you're under arrest for being a bitch. Well, Sherry, if being a bitch was your job, you'd get employee of the year. Shut up, Florence.
What if I make them like, hold on. Yeah, babe, we need you to get you some milk.
She's neither use nor ornament till she's had her chippies. Poor cow.
Be sure. I don't know, let me. What am I supposed to do to make them hurry up so I can. Let's see how they got. If I hit you enough, you leave. Okay, whatever. I'm done, bro. I should go to bed. Goodbye, everybody.